than 24 hours. Some say materialism. Niggas out here want the money and the power. Yeah, that's right. I do want the money, but what does the power get me? I just want the respect and love, but a lot of motherfuckers don't give a fuck. So we out here selling drugs. Little shorty on the corner let the gun bust. Just a day ago, a little dude got his face blown off. What the fuck going on in the ghetto? Police harassing our sisters, it's bitches, and they out here nasty. Then you got brothers and gentlemen, used to be thugs, and ladies is classy. In the ghetto, that's how it go. Cooking that crack up on the stove, let it go, but it's love here. Cause the mom, single, with 2 kids on her own, and Papa ain't there. Leave me alone. Don't call my phone no more. Fuck you and the kids. I'm like, damn, what the fuck is going on? Brother, you gotta be strong. Some rights turn to wrong, and some wrongs turn to right. Baby girl, your pussy so tight. Let me hit that shit tonight again. Degradation, self-hatred, jealousy and greediness. But it's out here, they need us, sis. Spitting the shit, believe in this. We gotta get better. Black clouds in the ghetto, bad weather. It's always rain with the sunshine. The ghetto face up in the sun times. And he just got shot on the gun line with the red tape and the yellow tape. And they don't even understand. The white man ain't got the upper hand, 'cause he's just a man, just like me. And you, whether you brown or red, or black, yellow, low speak, play the cello, and try to stay mellow, you know hello. And I'm moving from the belly of the beast. Della Reese, I wanna get me a cigar, then I'm like, capiche. But that's just a fantasy of your mind. Reality when you living in time. Right shit, you know I spit rhymes. Whether I'm living off the crime or a 9 to 5, it's my choice. This my body, this my voice. But I speak for the voices unheard. Found them unknown, now I'm unheard. Spit with the verb, adjective. These niggas are savages. I'm trying to civilize them. Cigarette smoke, lungs crystallize them. And prank when they had them. The white sheets motherfucker don't have them. Cause everybody got a facade. Peace.